Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions is a very easy procedure. Now here are the simple rules. Number one, multiply the numerators. That means multiply the numerators together. Multiply the denominators. Simplify if possible. So example 1, 2 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 5. The first rule says multiply the numerators, so that's 2 times 4. The next part is multiply the denominators, 3 times 5. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15, so the answer is 8 over 15. Example 2, 2/3 times a quarter times 2/5. When you multiply the numerators, you get 2 times 1 times 2. Multiply the denominators, 3 times 4 times 5. 2 times 1 times 2 gives you 4. 3 times 4 times 5 gives you 60. 4 over 60 is 1 over 15. So that's where you can simplify. So 4 over 60 can be simplified to 1 over 15. And all you do is you divide top and bottom by 4. Example 3. 2 over 5 multiplied by, 2 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. So when you multiply the numerators, you get 2 times 4 times 1 times 1. Multiply the denominators, 3 times 5 times 4 times 2. When you multiply the numerators together, that gives you 8. When you multiply the denominators together, that gives you 120. So if we divide top and bottom by 8, that can be simplified to 1 over 15. Now the next example is a whole number multiplied by a fraction. Now to make it look like a fraction times a fraction, just make that 4 over 1. So that is exactly the same as that. It just looks like a fraction. See, the 4 over 1 looks like a fraction. 4 2s are 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 into 8 goes twice, and 2 left over, so the answer is 2 and 2/3. So this video has just shown us some simple procedures how to multiply fractions together.